Hello everyone, nice to meet you. In today's video, for those of you who are starting Binance for the first time, I will show you step by step how to sign up using the mobile app. I'll explain it very easily, so please follow along slowly with me. First, I will explain how to create a Binance account. Take out your mobile phone and install the Binance app. Once the installation is complete, open the app and press the sign up button in the top right corner to start creating your account. You can create an account using either your email address or mobile number. After entering your information, check the terms and conditions and press the continue button below. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, please enter the verification code that was sent. Next, create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number. Now, please register the inviter. The inviter cannot be registered once the account creation is complete, so please make sure to register it before signing up. Press and hold the Yes button here. Then a referral ID input field will appear. In the referral ID input field, please enter BB333. Then you will receive a lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, and various bonuses, so please make sure to enter it before completing the sign up. Next, I will explain how to complete KYC verification. In order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. First, please select the document issuing country. Next, you need to proceed with ID verification. Below you will see a variety of document type lists. Please select the ID you have and proceed with the verification. I will select passport. To take a photo of your ID, press Take Pictures. When the camera screen appears, align the information page of your passport within the frame, and take a clear photo. Once the photo is taken, proceed with face verification. Align your face within the frame on the screen, and follow the instructions to perform several actions in order. Then the KYC verification step will be completed. The KYC review usually takes within about 1 hour. And once the review is successfully completed, the KYC verification will be finished. Lastly, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator. For the security of your Binance account, setting up Google Authenticator is essential. First, on the Binance home screen, press the Binance icon in the top left corner, and then press the arrow in the top right corner. Select the security menu to configure security settings, and press Authenticator app to set it up. Press the Enable button below. When a verification code is sent to your email address or mobile number, enter the verification code that was sent. Then you will move to the Authenticator link step. Here you can see that Binance's 16-digit key has been generated. Copy this 16-digit key. Then install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. After the installation is complete, open the Google Authenticator app. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Binance. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Binance app. Press the Add button below. Then a 6-digit Binance code will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Copy this 6-digit code and go back to the Binance app. Press the Next button below. And now paste the 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code input field. Then the Google Authenticator setup will be completed. In today's video, for those of you who are starting Binance for the first time, I showed you step by step how to sign up using the mobile app. If you have any questions while following along, please feel free to ask in the comments. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much for watching.